Alright. I am taking a video of this elevator.
At Fort Worth T&P Station.
Nice. Oh. It's packed. Lots and lots of people today.
And we have the TRE coming in.
I know. Well, I'm gonna film around people and not care. This is a nice elevator. Wow. This is cleaner than the elevators on Dart, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to 1. I'm gonna have to just film around people. It's gonna be packed. I won't let anyone bother me.
Yep.
Let's get off at 1.
Okay.
Let's get off here. Now that is a cool elevator. That's it.